guys, so Dalgona coffee, it's been super trendy and I haven't got around to making it yet. Well, finally I did. So I did it two ways. The first one I tried to reduce the sugar, it was very bitter. So I went ahead and did it the way that, according to the recipe. So anyways, I thought I'd share my trial and error with you guys. If you're interested in watching how to make Dalgona coffee, I've got that for you in today's video.
I needed some non-copyrighted music, but I couldn't find any, so I had to make my own, and I have no idea what I'm doing.
Aren't these flowers beautiful? My husband brought them home for me. He surprised me with them. They're my favorite colors. These aren't the freshest anymore, but I still wanted to stick them in the video because I thought they were so pretty. Anyways, okay, let's get on to the coffee. I will be making mine in a mason jar, and I'm going to use a whisk because I do not have one of those electric beater mixers. So to my mason jar, I will be adding 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, and I'm just using, I don't know if this is, I think it's just like Folgers or something, whatever was on sale is probably what I have. And then the first time that I tried this, I reduced the sugar. It should have been equal parts, but I dropped it down to 2 teaspoons, and it was very bitter. So I wouldn't recommend reducing the sugar on this. And I also have 1 tablespoon of hot water. And I'm going to be doing this by hand because I don't have one of those machine mixers. And so this is how I'm going to be mixing this. Okay, so after about a minute of stirring like this, I think we have a pretty good consistency here. It looks nice and creamy. So the next step is milk and filling your cup 3/4. Okay, so here's the side view. So now that we have our milk in there, and I'm just using almond milk because my stomach cannot really handle the dairy milk, and I'm just going to spoon this on top.
Ooh.
Looks nice, yeah?
Yeah.
I kind of wish there was more. Oh, it's supposed to be overflowing here. I definitely don't have enough to make it overflow. That is an easy version.
I'll just have this on.
So I think this coffee looks really nice, but it didn't taste very nice. It tasted pretty bitter. I didn't want to drink it. Okay, so I amended. So the original one that I made was 2 tablespoons of instant coffee with 2 teaspoons of sugar, and it was just really bitter. So I went ahead, and we thought we were recording, but we actually weren't. And I went ahead and did 1 tablespoon of instant coffee and 1 tablespoon of sugar with like less than a tablespoon of water also, and it whipped up a lot more compared to the 2 tablespoons of coffee and 2 teaspoons of sugar. So definitely, if you're gonna try this, I wouldn't skimp on the sugar. As much as I like reducing sugar, this actually gave me a lot more whip and froth than it did with the 2 tablespoons of coffee, and this is only 1 tablespoon of coffee. So I amended it and I put it right on top of my previous coffee, so that's a lot of stinking coffee. But anyways, that's what it looks like. That is, I definitely wouldn't reduce the sugar, but that's just super creamy. It looks really delicious. The original one, that dark one, it was just pretty bitter. It's not enjoyable to reduce the sugar. I would just pass rather than to have reduced sugar. But anyways, that's the video. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to leave your comments down below if you've tried it. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And subscribe if you like the channel, all that stuff. Thank you so much for watching.
I needed some non-copyrighted music, but I couldn't find any, so I had to make my own, and I have no idea what I'm doing.